How to check PayPal limits. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open PayPal on your device. Log into your account and then click on Wallet located at bottom right corner of your screen. In here, if you have added debit or credit card, click on your card and you will be able to see your limit. But if not, you can also go to Help Support of PayPal, and as you can see, PayPal debit card has 3,000 daily spending and $400 ATM withdrawals, also 4,000 without a verified account and up to 60,000 with a verified account. And these are the limits of PayPal limits. This is how to check PayPal limits. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.